Have you ever checked in on what to order while walking to the restaurant and checking a map? Or maybe just checked in on your Roblox game on the train home? Regardless, technology is everywhere. Sometimes it can be really helpful, and at other times it can be quite overwhelming. In fact, despite its usefulness, research has shown that technology can also increase distraction and reduce happiness and mental health. But don't worry, there are lots of ways to avoid this digital burnout and help reduce the negative effects of digital technologies. 1. Take a digital break. Select a period of time and make a commitment to not touch your digital device during that short period. This could be 1 hour, 5 hours, or even 24 hours, depending on your own situation. Second, you can use screen time reports to add intention to your digital device use. This allows you to make conscious choices of how you would like to use your time. To do this, first take a screenshot of your weekly screen time use. Then, analyze the pieces that you feel good about and the pieces you would like to change. In this case, Rocco really wants to reduce his social media time, specifically on Facebook, as he doesn't really enjoy it all that much. Then, over the course of the next week, be conscientious about that specific category. In this case, you can see Rocco was really successful in reducing his use of FaceTime and overall social media time. A third tool you can use is really thinking about your own communication that happens via digital devices. First, make a list of all the ways you use language on your device. Is this text messaging, FaceTiming, phone calls, social media, posting pictures, and maybe many other ways that you use language? Now, look at your list and highlight the things that might not make you feel so great when you think about your communication, and the things you really enjoy doing and the ways you like connecting. Try to spend the next week doing more of what you like and reducing the amount of time spent on your digital device doing the things you might feel less great about. Regardless of which choice you make, using your digital device with intention can help reduce digital burnout. Happy exploring!